Working out the mind, body, and soul. The isolation, stress, and anxiety isn't easy for those on the road to recovery from substance abuse.
Just being in the pandemic and then your normal life and all the things that go along with it. And sometimes relapses happen. It's been happening a lot through the pandemic.
The pandemic has hit people battling addiction hard, and Alcoholics Anonymous in LA and Orange County say they've seen a record number of people seeking help. And those in recovery say community is important.
Hi, I'm Joel, and I'm the founder.
That's why Joel Relampagos, founder of Change Your Algorithm, put on this free wellness event on National Sobriety Day to bring together like-minded people.
You can recover whether you are in an addiction or not, right? And that's depression, anxiety. But if you speak about it, that in itself is healing because people don't feel so alone.
He says addiction and mental health doesn't see color or status. It can impact everyone.
We're all recovering from something, whether it's from addiction or a bad relationship or a trauma, guilt and shame. And what we're trying to convey here is that no matter who you are, whether you're in recovery or not, we can get better and we can take care of our minds, bodies, and spirits.
It's wonderful to be with a group of peers who've had similar experiences, who don't judge you or expect you to have different standards, and they just understand where you've been.
And being in this together is key, helpful to getting through the tough times.
Got to stay strong and sober. Woohoo!
In Silver Lake, Sandra Endo, Fox 11 News.
I like it. Stay strong.